Hello friends, let me introduce you to Superior Trader, which I personally use in my algorithmic hedge fund Core Index, along with my other expert advisors, because I consider this trading bot to be reliable, profitable, and safe for my own trading capital. And here's why. So first of all, let's start with the fact that I have been using Superior Trader for quite a long time and have been receiving stable profits from it. To confirm the profitability of this expert advisor, I recently created a public signal on the MQL5 portal where you can personally observe its live algorithmic trading. As you can see, the expert advisor demonstrates steady capital growth with minimal drawdown. Currently, the maximum drawdown on the signal is just over 2.5%. In other words, this is super safe trading. Secondly, Superior Trader trades in an intraday style on the M15 timeframe and simultaneously uses two trading strategies. The first strategy is trading on trend pullbacks, and the second strategy is trading on local intraday swing reversals. This means that when the market is trending, the trend following system makes profits, and when the market is flat, the reversal system earns. That's why Superior Trader shows good trading results in almost any market phase. Thirdly, Superior Trader protects every trade with a stop-loss order and never uses martingale or grid strategies. So this is super safe for your trading account. Fourth, this is a multi-currency trading bot that operates simultaneously on 13 different assets. In other words, it's a mega diversified algorithm. Even if you incur losses on several currency pairs, the profits from other assets will still allow your profit chart to keep growing. Fifth, the risk management of this algorithm is designed so that the risk-to-reward ratio is approximately 1:1. This means that if you incur a loss, the size of that loss won't take away all the profit you've previously earned. Such a small loss is quickly offset by one or two subsequent profitable trades. Here you can see in the trading history of Superior Trader that the size of losing trades is comparable to the size of profitable trades. That's why there are no sharp drops in the profit curve of this expert on the profitability chart. This curve grows more smoothly and predictably. Sixth, Superior Trader uses an automatic market adaptation algorithm. We all know that the financial market is constantly changing. So inside the code of this expert, a specially developed adaptation algorithm of mine is used. This algorithm closely monitors all market changes and adapts the trading parameters so that they match all the latest trends. As I mentioned earlier, I personally use this expert in my algorithmic hedge fund, Core Index, whose statistics I publish weekly on my website, intradaysoft.com. In simple terms, I am offering you the trading algorithm that I personally trust. Welcome, friends, to the professional world of algorithmic trading. I am confident that Superior Trader will be an excellent addition for you and will steadily grow your capital for many years to come. See you soon.